today's discussion, we will categorize them into three buckets. Number one, ads. Number two, as we know it, bloat or bloatware. And number three, system optimizations. We will also be speaking briefly about MIUI 12.5, which I will cover in the later half of this video. Let's start with booting up the device and initiate the setup process. Your Mi 11X features MIUI 12, which is based on Android 11. Select your preferred language, choose your region, and accept the terms and conditions. The device will now quickly check for your SIM card. Let me skip this for this discussion. Connect it to your Wi-Fi network. I will again skip this for this discussion. On the next screen, you will find the Google services, basically terms and conditions, which will talk about location usage and device maintenance. Let's accept these and continue. You now get the option to set up the password. If you want to add your fingerprint for faster unlocking, then this is your screen. I will skip this as well. Alright, hold up. Let's talk about this screen in particular, which is called additional settings. Now you will see a mention here called personalized ads. Now what does this even mean? Now most of our users already know and can vouch for this, that there are no ads, zero ads on Mi smartphones. This includes our last year flagship launches, which included the Mi 10 and the Mi 10T series, and the 2021 launches, which were the Mi 10i, just launched the Mi 11X series, and the Superphone, which is the Mi 11 Ultra. Now this toggle which you see is common across all the MIUI ROMs which are available globally. Because Mi smartphones in India carry no ads, you can either ignore this toggle or switch it off. That's completely up to you. Now the second thing which you will notice is Glance for Me. Now you might have heard of Glance already. Glance basically offers the ability to deliver brand new wallpapers and personalized content in your favorite language each time you pick up your phone. This is 100% optional, and basis your needs, you can toggle this off or on. If you want to enable it later, you can find it under Settings and then under Lock Screen. Now choose your default launcher style. Just like you, I also prefer the app drawer style because it looks more cleaner and it is more easier when it comes to finding apps. Let me select that. Now your setup is complete, super quick and super easy. We believe that there are certain apps under Get Apps which will significantly add to your overall smartphone experience. And you might see us recommending this while you set up your phone. You and I make the most of our phones via the apps which we have installed our phones. Now sometimes you might even say that our app list defines who we are as an individual. It's so reflective of our lifestyle. While most of these apps are found under one roof, which is basically the Google Play Store, we are also bringing you more options with Get Apps. With this additional repository of applications, you can now find newer use cases with your devices. We would love for you to try Get Apps out, but you can also choose to ignore it. All the other apps which you see on your screen right now, in addition to Get Apps, are just system apps, just like the Gallery, the Security, Cleaner, Google Play Store, and the Google Suite of Apps. For a cleaner look, you can also choose to remove these from your home screen. Now moving on to the second screen, you will find Notes, the Weather app, the Calendar, and other tools such as QR code scanner, Downloads tab, Compass, and the fan favorite Mi Remote, because your phone comes with an IR blaster. To help you get started quickly, the only other apps which are preloaded on your phone, and I don't think you would consider them as bloat or bloatware, would be the biggest social networking platforms such as Facebook and LinkedIn, your favorite content apps such as Netflix and Prime Video, and your favorite shopping app, which is Amazon Shopping. Along with that, you will also see the support for Mi Credit. Now Mi Credit is Xiaomi's official lending platform which offers instant personal loans with easy application process. Please note that this is not a third-party app and you can also choose to uninstall it. The choice basically is yours. Now I spoke about MIUI 12.5 earlier. Our India team is working day and night to initiate the MIUI 12.5 rollout in India. You will soon see us speaking about the device list and the rollout plan on our social channels, so make sure that you follow them. Now look at MIUI 12.5 as an intermediate update based on MIUI 12, which focuses especially on bringing system optimizations which you guys have been asking for. Let me highlight two of our biggest efforts. In order to deliver an optimized system experience, we have basically rewritten the entire UI, which reduces the core scene memory usage by 20%. And in recent tests, CPU usage is reduced by up to 22%, while the power consumption is reduced by up to 15%. This basically lets you enjoy a lighter, smoother experience with significantly longer battery life. We believe that this is something all our Mi fans would truly love. With MIUI 12.5, most system apps can actually be uninstalled, as we can see here right in the middle. Some app packages which are actually included in the system core, their app icons as well could be now hidden. Compared to all the other operating systems, MIUI 12.5 is as simple as it gets. If you don't want it, simply uninstall it. The option is yours. So that was all from my side. I hope you found this information useful.